Question 5 in your first worksheet is looking at identifying the difference between two different atoms and understanding whether they're isotopes, ions, or different elements altogether. And you need to define why that is. So let's have a look at the first bunch. We've got atom 1 and atom 2. This guy here, if you can see, hopefully you can see it, is X612 and X614. What is the difference? What's the same here? Well, just looking at it, we can see that the protons are the same and the mass number is different. So therefore the neutrons are different. So therefore we've both got 6 protons. However, this one has got 2 extra neutrons than this one. Okay, this guy's got 6 neutrons, this guy's got 8 neutrons. So what that makes them, they make them isotopes. Why are they isotopes? Because by definition, an isotope has the same number of protons, but a different number of neutrons. And that's your answer for the first part there. Now, what's this difference in this one here? All right, here we've got element X, which has got X812, X812, so they've got the same number of protons, they've got the same number of neutrons. However, this guy's got a charge. What that means is this must be an ion. So we have formed an ion because they have a charge. Ions are charged because they've gained or lost electrons. So what's the difference in here? It's the charge, so therefore we've formed an ion of this X. So this is an isotope of that one. This one is an ion of that one. Moving on to this last one here. Well, it's not the last one, you're going to do these 3 on your own. But this last one here, we've got X24, 51, and X25, 52. What I see is that my atomic number is different between these two atoms. So therefore, as we have protons are different, this means they must be completely different elements because the element is defined by the number of protons it has. So this is how you can compare two different atoms and understand whether they're isotopes, ions, or completely different elements. And how you know that is by knowing the definition of what an isotope is, and then you compare it. Is this the definition of an isotope? What is the definition of an ion? It's got a charge. Is this charged? What is the definition of a different element? Well, different elements have different protons, so therefore you'll get that idea. Basically, what you're doing here is you're always referring back to what the definition of the thing is, and that's how you can respond to questions like this.